What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to deal with math and chemistry questions, start now by subscribing this channel and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. The equation I want to show you here is 2 times cosine 2 plus theta minus root 3 equals to 0. And I need to solve it for theta, which is changing from 0 and 2 pi. First thing I want to do, I need to isolate cosine. So it's going to be 2 cosine 2 plus theta equals to root 3. And then I can say cosine 2 plus cosine plus 2 plus theta is going to be root 3 divided by 2. So basically I divided both sides by 2, so I got this. We know cosine pi over 6 is root 3 over 2. Cosine pi over 6 equals to root 3 over 2. That's what we know from special angle. There is another answer is why? Because cosine is positive in quadrant 1 and 4. So here is going to be pi over 6 and here is going to be pi over 6. So the second answer is going to be 2 pi minus pi over 6. So, which is going to be 11 pi over 6. So we have two answers for 2 plus theta. One of them is pi over 6. The other one is going to be 11 pi over 6. So theta will be pi over 6 minus 2. And theta here is going to be 11 pi over 6 minus 2. So that will be 3.14 divided by 6 minus 2, which is negative 1.477, and here we have 11 times 3.14 divided by 6 minus 2, that will be 3.76 radian. As you see here, the first one is out of the range. It has to be between 0 and 2 pi. 2 pi is 2 times 3.14, which is 6.28. The second one is valid, but the first one is not valid. So what should we do? We need to add another 2 pi to it. So we have negative 1.477 plus 2 pi, 2 times 3.14. So that will be negative 1.477 plus 6.28. That will be 4.803. So we have two answers. One of them is 3.76 radian and the other one is 4.803 radian. So these are the two answers in terms of radian. If I want to write it in terms of degrees, that's gonna be 215 degrees approximately, and the other one is going to be 275 degrees approximately. So these are the two final answers. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you found this video useful, please like it and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I will leave some related videos in the description part. In case you need extra help and extra practice question, you can just take a look to the description. Thank you for watching and have a great day.